to really send off Jambo 2024 with a bang. And I can bet you some of these cars will be definitely going down. Where do you put it, Mark? Where do you put it? I don't know. I love both guys. I'm rooting for the full bang. I'm rooting for the underdog. He's been a little bit quicker the last round or two. So let's just see how it all finishes here in Factory Extreme Final. Gentlemen. Frankie nails the captain to the Christmas tree. Frank Tarabay, 596, 617. What a pass. What a pass, folks. What a run. 977 in the 60 foot for Tarabay. Half track 394, 189 mile an hour, 596 for the quarter, 246 mile an hour. Cole Wilshire.